All right, other high-tech stuff that you'll never buy, Will. How about an ice cream machine at home that uses pods like a Keurig system, ice cream pods. So you make your own fresh ice cream, soft serve.
Now this I can get behind.
Oh, you don't pick that one up for your same 3Gs. I actually don't know if this one is 3Gs or not.
I'll buy it for 50 Gs.
I don't think they actually put a price on this one, but the idea is pretty much what it sounds like. Everyone's trying to figure out how to podify their thing. After the whole Keurig coffee thing kicked off, people were like, well, can we do juice? Can we do cookies? Can we do, there was the tortilla one. I don't know if you remember that one. For fresh tortillas. Like, I don't know how many tortillas you're eating to do that.
It's in a pod?
It was some kind of an all-in-one machine where you would put maybe you can find that actually. I don't know. I remember that. I definitely remember the juice one as well. I don't think that one took off either. The first at-home tortilla maker. That must be what I'm talking about. Flat EV. Oh, they're dead. Website's down.
Uh-oh.
Yikes. All right. Well, I'm sure you can get a picture. There was the Kickstarter. It's not that long ago. It was 2019. It's not quite a pod, the thing you slide in, but look at that machine. Imagine how serious you got to be about tortillas to keep that on the counter. That beast. Wow. It's incredible. Anyway, so people trying to figure out these kitchen machines, and everybody likes ice cream. So why not do it with ice cream? That's what they decided. The device is called Cold Snap. Takes pods filled with some ingredients, a list of ingredients. It turns it into soft serve ice cream on demand. The company also plans to eventually offer frozen yogurt pods, frozen coffee pods, frozen smoothie pods, and frozen healthy shake pods, and also slushy pods.
That's great.
You're happy about this one?
Anything with pods? So convenient.
You're happy with this one. You could do the frozen yogurt if you need to. Now, I got to store those pods, I guess. Wait a second.
Freezer?
Wait a second. Do I have to store those in the freezer? They just keep it next to the machine. Does the machine do the cooling on demand? He's just recycling the pod. I don't actually know if I need the pod to be in the freezer or not.
But for instant, it's not going to freeze it instantly, right?
Hey, man, maybe there's some cool action going. This reminds me of Yogen Frus. Have you ever had Yogen Frus?
Yeah.
They put the puck. It's like a puck in the machine. And it's actually kind of similar. Yogen Frus at home. Cold Snap. Delightfully frozen. I don't know. It's kind of exciting. But again, it's another machine you got to keep on the counter. That's the problem. Who's got these endless counters that never run out of space? I want to meet that person.